and use them for practice. No more eggs at this time, although I did see the lower birds were making whoopee, which they don't need to do anymore. Because she just gave birth not too long ago. And it can be a little bad for them. Yeah, I have pulled their nests out so that we won't have to deal with that. They'll just lay them on the cage floor, and then you can just pull them out. If they sit on them, they'll insist on raising them, and it's very, very taxing on their bodies to try and raise the chicks because they have to feed them. You're going to have tiny, tiny little omelets. Wow, I'm trying to get a little still pick here. We bought a camcorder that has the ability to record